G'day Oz ATV rider, I'm out on a beautiful Friday morning. It is the 29th of December 2023. I'm heading for a place called Tavistock Hill. I've just turned the map off and gone rogue for a bit. Don't exactly know where I am at the moment. Yeah, there's friggin' tracks everywhere around this place. Far out. Oops, what tree are you going? What am I doing up here? Oh, we go down this way. Oh, the bloody quartz. So much quartz out this place. This is all old gold diggings areas. There's many holes and old mine shafts everywhere. And tracks everywhere. Far out. Oh, cool. This track keeps going down here by the looks of it. Ooh, we've got a bit of a drop there. Look at this. Okay, so we've got, oh, is it something go up there? It is too. It says go that way. Have a look first. Straight up the guts. Or the left. I've got to get through this. Yeah, sometimes I come out on these rides, I've got all this stuff in my head I want to talk about, and then once I start riding it's all gone. I just concentrate on the ride. Cool. Ooh. Now, I think I was going to talk about the year that was. This year's been a big year for me. With me and my family, we moved to Ballarat out of Melbourne. Yeah, we never really intended on staying in Melbourne as long as we did. We ended up there 8 years. So far it's been great out at Ballarat. From a riding point of view, it's brilliant. I've got tracks like this just on my doorstep basically. Yeah, out of the eastern side of Melbourne there is great riding, really good riding. But what would happen, you'd go out, you'd get out of the city, have a great day out in the bush riding, and then you'd get stuck in traffic on the way home. And all those stresses and everything related to the big city all come back again. I think we're going straight. Oh, that big chunk of quartz in the road. So living here I can do tracks like this all day long, and then just 5 minutes I'm home again. Next right, that one. I think I've been here before. We went the high road, didn't I? Yeah. Yeah, I can do great riding like this and I'll be 5 minutes and I'm home. Or I can go on longer trips and then it's just up the highway, or there's some beautiful back roads around here. Some of the sealed roads, you get off that western highway and it's beautiful. Cool. Which way are we going to go? That side? campers here. Let's just sneak around. Let's go down and have a look at this water. That is Wallaby Lake. So the big thing that happened this year was my biggest project yet, was the front end swap, and it has transformed this bike. Out of all the stuff I've done to this bike, that front end and that 21-inch wheel is the best improvement for off-road riding that I've made. I actually bought this bike for its intended purpose. I wanted something I could commute on, do some trips, and take on the occasional dirt road if I felt like it. I even put road tyres on the bike. But as soon as I started riding on gravel roads, I just loved it. Just loved the feel of it. Yeah, I started modifying it seriously about 2 years ago. That's when I started stripping all the weight off it. Getting rid of the weight made a big difference. I raised it, which made it better. Made, you know, more suspension travel, more ground clearance is a good thing. As soon as I put that 21-inch wheel, it was like, yeah, that's what we need. It just handles so much better. I can hold my line better, rolls through bumps better. Then I decided to go for the full front end conversion, and I haven't looked back. I was very concerned about going to a very lightweight YZ450 wheel with a single disc, but it hasn't been an issue. Giving this bike a hiding. Hit some bumps bloody hard, and yeah, it's fine. The brake's fine too. I have ridden it loaded up with that front wheel on. I had the standard, well, the extended forks back then, and yeah, no problems braking then. The wheel makes a big difference rolling through the bumps, but that front end is so good. And it really surprised me how, I want to say, easy it was to set up. Yeah, I really thought I was going to be pulling that front end apart and adjusting things and mucking around with it, but yeah, all I did was increase the spring rate and lower them. I shortened the forks to the same length my extended V-Strom forks were. So I think it was about 3 inches I lowered it by. It looks like we've got some big hills up here. What's going on there? That right one looks pretty rough, doesn't it? So this part, the right looks better. Next part, the left looks better. Do I go down, cut across and up, or do I just go that one and go straight? Oh, how still is it? Yeah, that's pretty bloody steep. I might just go over that log. I tried to move it, but I'm worried if I go that side, I'll just keep going that way. So we'll go right over the log, get up on my feet. So we're down that all right. Now, what have we got here? Which side do I go? Going left. Cool. Now what was in that? Oh shit. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a big bog hole there. I'm glad I did not take that side. Shit. Would have went down into soft mud. It looks like it's all freshly churned up. And then I would have had a bloody steep ride out of it. Definitely took the right choice. What have we got now? It's not too steep, it's long. Yeah. Oh, that looks boggy, doesn't it? I'm just gonna have to go in this one. Oh. Yeah, that's looking pretty cool. We might go that way. Yeah, I reckon that track looks more fun. Be nice if I could see more of it. That stick's gonna fuck me up. Oh. Righto. Get on my feet. Let's go. What do we got? Oh shit, maybe. Cool. Yeah, you wouldn't want to do that in the mud. Bloody hell. Yeah, not much left of that. Looks like it burnt just there. It's probably just been shoved out of the road. Yeah, that's fresh, I can smell it. Now the map is actually telling me to go straight ahead. I think I've done this track before. We'll go across Saw Pit Creek. Should be a creek at the bottom of this. Very swampy, stinky creek. Yep. Oh yuck, that looks disgusting. I've got a big old drop there. I'll have to try and... I need to get as far right as possible. Got to go down that little centre ridge. And we'll get right over here. Righto. Let's go up there. Yep, we're good. Oh. Let's go. Down before I get a branch in the face. Here we are, back to the main road. Righto, that was fun, wasn't it? Bit of exploring. Audio this way. Whoa. So I'm near my destination. Oh wow. Holy crap, look at all the quartz in there. God. When I was a kid, you'd find a bit of quartz and you'd think it was the best thing ever. The gullies dug in there, trenches. A lot of this has been dug. Far out. Let's have a little look, see where this goes. Oh yeah, this is a track. Oh cool. Didn't see that before. Oh, that's friggin' slippery. Wow. That may be it. Go up here a bit. There's something up here, I think. Can we get up that? Far out. What's on the other side? Oh yeah. How cool is that? Can I get up there? There's a little truck down there. Oh wow. Far out. Let's just have a bit of a look around before I go too far. Hope I can get through that. Have a look down here. Holy crap, wow. Righto, I want to go straight up on my feet and off. Got one finger on the clutch. Friction point. Looks like I'm coming back into civilization. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a happy new year and I'll see you next time.